Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those details with you. So first job opportunity is with respect to the BitCot company, and this is in Chennai, and they're hiring for various job positions. As you can see, Python developer, junior React.js, junior Rails developer, junior QA. Freshers to 1 year are allowed. Location is Chennai. So if you are someone who is looking for the job opportunity and you can go for the Chennai location, then this is a good job opportunity for you as a fresher who are looking forward to start their career in the field of software testing. The second job opportunity is with respect to the companies. Let me forward those details. Yeah. So WalkingTree Technologies, they are hiring for trainee Python engineer. So if you are someone who is passionate about Python, AI, and machine learning, you can apply over here. Location is Hyderabad. Shift timings are 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Mode would be work from office, which would be 5 days working. Qualification would be BTech, PE in computer science, IT, or related field. Experience is a fresher. Again, this is a fresher-related job opportunity. And what you will be doing, so you'll be working on the live projects under the guidance of senior engineers, develop scalable, efficient applications using Python and AI/ML technologies, learn best practices in coding, debugging, and version controls, and lot more. Hmm. So this is for the Hyderabad location, and you need to send your updated resume to this email address along with the subject line application for Python fresher. So next job opportunity is with respect to the senior QA automation engineer. And as a senior QA automation, you will be designing, building, and maintaining automation frameworks across web and API layers, right? And what you will do, so you'll be developing and maintaining automated test scripts, automate API testing, integrate automation into CI/CD, Jenkins, collaborate with dev teams in agile sprints to ensure high quality releases, and they are looking for 5+ years in QA automation, strong in Java, Python, and JavaScript, experience with CI/CD and cloud environments, and location is Coimbatore or Hyderabad. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. And they are looking for immediate joiners and work from office candidates only. Next requirement is for QA manual consultant. Project duration is 45 days, and stipend is fixed. Details will be shared in the interview. 15 testers. The openings is for 15 testers. So there are 15 vacancies. Location is Noida. Requirement is own laptop mandatory, and working hours will be 8 hours per day. So interviews will be conducted at the Noida office, and 45 days, 15 openings, and you can apply at this particular link itself. I'll be putting this link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video. Next requirement is for a QA engineer, manual and automation. Location is Ahmedabad, and immediate joiners are preferred. Experience required is 2 to 6 years, full-time on-site opportunity. It's a work from office opportunity, and the skill set that they are looking for is both automation as well as manual. So many people are telling that manual jobs are dead, that there are no manual testing positions, but it's not like that. As far as testing is there, manual things would be there. So skill set is Selenium, Java, API testing, load testing, test case design, and bug tracking. And you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for a QA, again, Wissen Technology. The location is Pune or Mumbai. Notice period is immediate to 30 days. And they are looking for 5 to 8 years for relevant QA experience, experience in testing complex technical projects, strong understanding of QA, and analytical skills, not many things. So you can share your CV at this particular email address. So there are multiple job opportunities for the freshers as well as for experience, so you can apply. Let me share a few more with you. Right. This walking drive would be there like this tomorrow on 1st of November, and it's an hiring for QA engineers, 0 to 2 years of experience for freshers. Eligibility criteria is engineering, right? Or BC, MC is also fine. Strong communication skill set as required. Timings would be 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. for this walk-in drive, and the location provided. This is with respect to Ahmedabad. There are various openings at XcelTec company, and it is in Ahmedabad. You can send your CV to this particular email address. There's an official website, and they are given the numbers as well. There's again with respect to the hiring of the automation engineers. The walk-in drive is on 1st of November, Saturday, and they are looking for Selenium with Java plus API automation, 1 to 15 years of experience. Remote full-time jobs, so I'm putting this links, and MRI company is also hiring, right? So these all opportunities are there. Let me share with you one more job opportunity with respect to fresher. So if you are a fresher, and this job opportunity is also for you. Not sure if I shared it earlier. Let me reshare it just to give you the information with this.